Hey everyone, my name's Brett with Blue Sky Solar. Just wanted to make a video for you all in regards to a misconception that's out there in the solar industry, in the solar market. As many of you probably know, there are some very good incentives that are offered right now through the federal government. Some are also offered through your local state incentives, and then some are also offered through your local utilities. But one point that I would really like to focus on is your federal tax credits. When you're looking at solar, there is a 30% federal tax credit that you're eligible for as a consumer of a renewable energy product, specifically solar. Now, how that actually works is the catch. And I have seen it when I've spoken with customers to where they're under the assumption that they are automatically eligible for this tax credit, which is just not the case. And so what I want to go over is how that actually works, what that picture looks like, and how you are able to take advantage of these incentives. Let's start with a figure of $10,000. So you get to the end of that year and you file your taxes and you see that you had paid in $10,000. You complete the process and it comes back and says, congratulations, you are eligible for a $2,000 return. So what this means is you take your $10,000 that you paid in during the year, you have the $2,000 that you received back, and that would be your tax liability. And so that would be $8,000, of course. So let's say that you take a step back and during that year you actually purchased a solar system. This solar system, let's say for example's sake, cost you $10,000. If we take the 30% federal tax credit and apply that towards your solar system, that would be $3,000. You would take that $3,000 and you would put that as well as with the $2,000 that you're getting back, which would now raise your return to $5,000. It's a great advantage. It's a great way to get some of that money back and use it towards an investment on your home, an investment in long-term savings. So please be aware when looking at solar that your rep actually goes over your tax liability to make sure that it actually works for you, to make sure that the payoff period that they're talking to you about actually is realistic in your case. Because what we don't want to have happen is you purchase a solar system and it takes you way longer than it should to pay that system off. That is not a financial benefit to you. Though you're making a difference in your community, in your environment, you're taking that step towards being green, we also need to make sure that it makes sense financially and for your budget and for your monthly expenses. It has to all pencil out, and that's really the difference here, and that's what we'll look at Blue Sky Solar. We make sure that we go through your tax liability, we make sure we go through your property, we make sure we go through all of the aspects of looking into getting a solar system to make sure it's the best option for you. Please go and find us on Facebook, find us on Instagram. We will be posting more videos there. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I look forward to speaking with you all again soon. Thank you.